Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video because you guys saw what happened with me in the last case unboxing. काफ़ी बेकार हो गया था एक्चुअली। जो सबसे आप समझो डिमांडेड कास्टिंग थी पूरे केस की, वो मिली ही नहीं थी। टीएच भी नहीं मिला था। आज हमारे पास नया हॉट व्हील्स का केस है, एम केस है। तो एम केस हम अनबॉक्स करने जा रहे हैं। पिछली बार वीडियो भी थोड़ी लंबी बन गई थी, तो इस बार आई विल जस्ट कीप इट अ लिटिल शॉर्ट एंड होपफुली विल गेट टू सी सम ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग कास्टिंग्स। गुड न्यूज़ भी है मेरे पास एक, जो इसी वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। एंड जस्ट टू बी क्लियर, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ द प्रीवियस केस एंड द करंट केस की। ऐसी मैंने कोई ऑफिशियल अनबॉक्सिंग नहीं की थी, तो उसकी भी गाड़ियां मैं आपको दिखा दूंगा और एम केस बोल के ही दिखाऊंगा, क्योंकि आजकल एम केस ही ज्यादा आ रहा है हर जगह। तो उसके जो कैरी फॉरवर्ड्स हैं वो अपने आप अगर इंडिविजुअली देखोगे तो समझ जाओगे, और नहीं तो इसी में से आपको जो मिले वो आप ले लेना। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको गुड न्यूज़ ही दे देता हूँ। आई एक्चुअली मैनेज टू फाइंड दिस लेटर। निसान स्काईलाइन जीटीआर है R34 बेसाइड ब्लू जो अपनी आई थी। अच्छी कास्टिंग है, काफ़ी प्यारी है। आपके क्या थॉट्स हैं इसके बारे में आप ज़रूर शेयर करना, क्योंकि प्यारी कास्टिंग थी ना, मिस करने का बहुत रिग्रेट हो रहा था। ऐसा लग रहा था केस लेके भी मतलब नहीं मिल पाई, तो आई वॉज लाइक रियली अनहैप्पी। बट अच्छी कास्टिंग थी। दिस वॉज द BMW M4 GT3। और देखिए डिटेल्स तो इसमें आगे पीछे बहुत खास नहीं है, बट इतनी आइकॉनिक कार है और कास्टिंग है, और लोगों को ये बहुत पसंद आती है, चाहे वो किसी भी मैन्युफैक्चरर की हो। मिनी जीटी की भी कास्टिंग्स में से ये सबसे पॉपुलर रहती है। सो दिस इज अ न्यू वन, दिस इज अ बुगाटी बोलाइड। और अभी हाल में एक और आई थी, वो किस केस में आई थी आप जरूर कमेंट करके बताना। इससे पहले जो एक रिलीज हुई थी। तो इफ आई एम ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, दिस इज वाइट एंड दैट वाज आल्सो सिमिलर। तो ये वाले ऐसे ओके से हैं, दे आर नाइस। फ्रंट डिटेल्स आर प्रीटी डिसेंट, बट जो ओरिजिनल इनका वो 3 कार का आया था ना, पहले ब्लू आई थी, उसके बाद येलो आई थी, उसके बाद रेड आई थी। दोज वर क्रेजी गुड। उनके सामने ना ये सब थोड़े ऐसे फीके से लगने लगे हैं। देन दिस वन इज रियली कूल बिकॉज दिस इज द 2024 एस्टन मार्टिन वैंटेज GT3, ऑल्सो अ वेरी क्लीन स्पेक कार। फ्रंट में इसके डिटेल्स काफी अच्छे हैं। इट्स फ्रॉम द एक्सोटिक कार सीरीज विच एवरीवन लव्स कलेक्टिंग, हॉट व्हील्स का। और this is also a new casting for 2026, which is very special. तो I'm looking forward to more recolors of this. Exotics की बात करें तो exotic सीरीज में से एक और है, this is the Acceleron। तो सीधे शब्दों में शॉर्टली अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि क्या ये फैंटेसी कास्टिंग है, तो उसका आंसर है yes, this is a fantasy casting, but this is heavily inspired by a very premium exotic car. Then we come on to this 96 Dodge Viper GTS from the HW Torque series. So if you love American cars or you love the Dodge Viper, then this is going to be a great addition to your collection, क्योंकि जो इसका color scheme है, the black paint with the white and red decals, that's really cool. So even I was really happy to find this and add this to my collection. Then we come on to this really pretty Volvo 240 Drift wagon, and the interesting thing about this model is that the color is very pleasing. It's this yellow color with the sky blue tinted windows and windshields and everything. And also the side decals, they are quite cool. From the screen time series, we've got the 68 Corvette. This is basically the gas monkey garage Corvette. It's one of the most iconic Hot Wheels castings. The golden paint on this, it's quite nice. And I'm realizing that I have not really shown you the base of most of the models. So most of them are very plain, you know, like the regular colors which we see like gray or black. But this one, it has an interesting base because the base is also golden. So that looks really cool. And the interior is chrome and the paint quality is also very nice. So all in all, this is just a very nice casting. And if you love Corvettes, then I'm sure you've already got one of the older releases. If not, then this is going to be a great addition to your collection. One more very pretty yellow casting. This is the El Segundo Rally. So this is like the Hot Wheels Fantasy casting, you know, the rally version or the Dakar version, you can call it. And the side decals, I love it. This is one of my more favorite fantasies. Like, this is just a great casting, to be honest. And this color scheme also, it looks really good. One more fantasy, this is the Cruise Bruiser in purple. A very unique color, and the best part is that the paint has a little bit of a pulled finish which changes its color just a little bit according to the lighting. We come on to one of the heaviest castings. This is the custom 62 Chevy pickup. Black paint and all the white and red decals, they are so cool, and the weight on this is just next level. It's insane. And also this part, you see the pickup bay, it's very well detailed for a Hot Wheels mainline. If you love drift cars, then you're in luck, because in this case you don't just get the Volvo which I showed you, you also get this, which is the Nissan Maxima drift car. And this has this really cool cutout bonnet up front. If we can just zoom in here a little bit, you can see this part is such a big highlight of this model. And also this has the K and N decals, which look quite good on the black paint on the side as well as on the roof, and these just make the perfect black and yellow pair, you know, the Volvo and the Nissan. Then from the Hot Wheels J Import series, we have got this really cool Toyota Prius Custom. It's in this olive green color, you know, the camo color, the dark green color. And this also has the roof box on top, the white body stance. Earlier we saw this in white, I think, and this color, it's a nice color, but I'm looking forward to see this in a few more brighter shades. Then we come on to this model, which is one of the highlights from the M case. This is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The casting in itself, it's a great casting by Hot Wheels. It's in this black color, which looks quite nice, because the Mercedes A-Class, especially this version, the hatchback version, is just, you know, something which is not very commonly seen these days. Detailing wise, Hot Wheels has been really generous with this model. It gets some amazing wheels, great details at the front and the back, and also the hood has IWC Racing branding. So one of the most well detailed cars, not just of the case, of 2026. So this one, it gets a yellow base and it gets metallic green paint. This is the Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. We've seen this casting recently in a couple of other colors, and this is just a very unique color scheme, which is why most of the people collect Hot Wheels, that you get to own these exclusive cars in exclusive colorways. So personally for me, one of the highlights from the case. I think just a couple of days back I had posted a very similar colored Majorette Datsun, that was the 260Z. Now this is the Datsun 240Z, this very iconic shade with the 23 decals on the side and also on the roof. And this is from the Then and Now series, so it should be interesting to pair up. So before this, from the HW Torque series, I think we saw the Dodge Viper. Right now this is the 68 Mercury Cougar, and this has a very nice metallic purple paint with some very colorful decals. You know, you've got red, orange, yellow. The wheels are also pretty decent for a mainline, and I think if you, अगर आप बहुत पहले से Hot Wheels collect कर रहे हो, if you've been collecting Hot Wheels since like maybe 10 years, 15 years, so this is a very intrinsic part of Hot Wheels collection, you know, these brightly colored muscle cars. So yes, this reminds you of the good old days. Now this one from the Cool Classics series, this is the Project Twin Mill, one of the most trending and popular, you can call fantasies or the concept of Hot Wheels. And the tuned twin mill, it just has a very unique color scheme, which is also very popular for the twin mill, which is the white body with the blue base. Let me know in the comments if you like the twin mill or you like the bone shaker. Which one do you like more? Next up, we've got a very cool car in a very cool color. This is the 1998 Honda Prelude from the Factory Fresh series. And how exactly would you describe this color? Would you call this aquamarine or teal? However you describe this color, is just a very pretty color. And the Honda Prelude is just one car which Hot Wheels has always been generous in detailing. Very decent details at the front and back. And in this color, it just makes it a very complete casting. Now this is the Hot Wheels mini series HW fan driven, and this is the El Segundo Coupe. So it's very cool that in the same case we are getting to see the El Segundo Coupe as well as the rally model. And when you look at them side by side, especially from this angle, maybe I can just show you you'll realize the subtle differences in both these models. Both of them are quite cool, even though they are fantasies. Next up, we've got a few blue cars. First up is this is the Lucid Air from the HW EV series, the electric cars. Pretty decent details at the front and back, and I'm not really sure if you guys are fond of Lucid. If you are, let me know in the comments. One more from the cool classics series. This is the 1963 Ford Galaxy. It is also a new casting for 2026. Gotta love the chrome base on this one. Really cool decals on the side as well as on the top, and also love the color on this. Then from the Rod Squad series, we have got one of the coolest fantasies of all time. This is the Screamliner. If you had to rate this casting on from 1 to 10, what would you rate it? After that, we've got the Dark Knight Batmobile from the Batman series, and the matte black paint on this with the red wheels might just make it one of my favorite Batmobiles ever made by Hot Wheels, especially in the mainline series. Man, this is so good. So this is a very special casting because this is from the Screen Time series. Now this is a series which Hot Wheels reserves for the cars from the movies. The car is a 1970 custom Plymouth Roadrunner, and if I just do the card like this, maybe you can see this is from Fast and Furious. You'll see the Fast and Furious tag here. Love the metallic orange paint on this. Then we've got this fantasy from the HW Talk series. This is known as Slide Burn. After that, we come on to this casting from the Night Speed series. This is the 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. The color, I don't know how you would describe it. Maybe we can call it silverish blue. It's got a very nice pearl finish and some excellent decals at the front as well as the side. Not much at the rear, but you do get this solid metal wing. It's just a great casting, especially if you love Cadillacs. Yellow base, some great decals, and pearl finish paint. Now these are the things which make this 2019 Audi TT Safari really special. This is from the HW Dirt series, and this is also a new casting for 2026. The detailing is definitely a little disappointing, but the casting in itself, it's quite cool, and it's a new casting which makes it quite exciting. After that, from the Then and Now series, we have got the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 in this beautiful chocolate color. What a great color. And this also is metallic, so it has a shimmer to it. The side profile is 10 on 10, and so is the front because it has some very good front details. The rear is not at all detailed, and also this is the casting which has a STH variant in the M case. Now I think any case which has a Ferrari, we are all waiting for the Ferrari from that case, right? So the 12 cylinder which we saw in D case in the deep red color, the metallic deep red color, now it has come out in the M case in this metallic blue color. And I think this is the first blue Ferrari in the recent series, right? We've seen white, we've seen black, gray, yellow, but blue, I think this is the first one, and it is really pretty, let me tell you that. We all love red Ferraris, but this one, it does stand out. And this is from the Ferrari lineup. This is 4 out of 5. One more Porsche from the Then and Now series. This is the 96 Porsche Carrera, and the color on this, it's just a reddish orange color. I think it's very difficult to describe these colors. Obviously the brands have the special names for them, but this is a color which you can't exactly call red or you can't exactly call orange. It's just somewhere in between. Side profile of this car, it looks really nice. The front has some pretty decent badging, and I think this model has some pretty good rear details generally, but in this one, because of the color, it's a little washed out, so it feels a little bland, but at the end of the day, it's a Porsche, right? So it's always special. And finally, the last car from this case, the one which we all had been waiting for, this is Michael Schumacher's Ferrari F 2004. This is from the series HW Starting Grid, and obviously it's a very special car because if you search on Google that which is the most dominant Formula 1 car of Ferrari, and this is the one which pops up. I think in 2004 this car won 15 out of the 18 races. And also I think it's really cool that now we are getting not just the modern cars, but we're also getting the classics, especially the Ferrari classics, because Hot Wheels is now doing F1 and they are also doing Ferrari. So the range which has suddenly expanded, it's quite cool that the possibilities have become endless, and is just a great teaser, what we can call, of the things which will come ahead. So this is it guys. I know it's a little long video, but a lot of the special cars which have come out recently I've tried to show you. I'll also tell you that I have missed out on a few of the great cars, which always seems to be the case with me. My luck is not very good. I missed out on the Lamborghini Miura in purple. I missed out on the treasure hunt of this case, which is, I think, the Ford, right? Then I also missed out on the Maserati Tipo in black. And I also missed out on the Bone Shaker, the golden Bone Shaker. So yes, few of the castings I did not get in this case. I'm just a little sad about that. Also the Mazda is one casting I was really looking forward to. I've missed out on that as well. But cannot really complain. I was able to get this. I got the 12 cylinder, I got the Audi TT and the Porsche. Obviously it's not the STH, but I'm very happy to get the mainline also. Among these, which one was your favorite? Have you found any of these until now? If yes, which ones have you found? Which ones are you searching for? Like I've mentioned the ones which I did not get and I'm searching for them. Please let me know in the comments, and hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.